Are we in the wrong lane? Yeah, everybody parking right here. I'll move out the way. Crazy motherfucker with a cobalt. We shopping Lowe's. Put a cobalt sticker right here. It says like the Lowe's cobalt. Turbo. Call it Herbie. Golf cart parking on. Yeah, we just can't park right there. We're now exiting the vehicle. Oh God, don't forget
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move.
Look at this bitch. God, this is it right here.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Just to stand by this thing is awesome. Oh shit, look at that. There you go. Look at that. Look at that motherfucking Durango. That be a little nasty.
Yeah, that's like that car. What's that movie?
With the rock.
Fashion.
Mm-hmm.
I think this was a 70.
This is just sexy.
This is like a 70.
God, look at this car.
Look at the metallic.
God.
So much blanket.
I'm gonna have to own one. I gotta drive something. You can get a hat. So you can get a hat. Alright, the goal is, what's your favorite car?
Favorite car, 67?
6, 7 above. We gotta find those 2 cars. I think I found your Nas's Z28. Look at a little Porsche. Look at a little, you ain't running that motherfucker. Look at that little bitch. Look at that bitch dope. Hey, we gotta kinda, that's the police station, eh?
That's a Hoover police car. Dude, they got a freaking Porsche.
You need a transfer. You might get a Porsche, bro. Dude, what the hell? Yeah. That's dope.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
Where are y'all from?
North Idaho.
Okay. Sweet, man.
It's 2,000 miles to Memphis.
What, are you running stock suspension on it? Or?
It's got tubular control arms, securely one in the front, C5 vat spindles, and the back's all stock.
I'm building a 67 Camaro.
Oh, okay.
Does it make the drive feel a little stiffer or what?
Dude, this thing drives like a new car. Aside from the back, the shocks are all blown out. We keep bottoming out back there, but
I got a high spoiler length to put in the rear of mine. And, it comes with the Viking pullovers. Yeah, I did the CPP C5 vat spindles and stuff, and those really made a difference. Yeah, well.
No, this is 69.
Oh shit, there's another one.
That 70 over there, that gray one, has a turbo on it.
That's
See the headlight punched out on it? It's that air induction, dog.
That's sick.
That's a clean Fox body.
Yeah, that looks just like mine.
I love that color on there. Yeah, you
should've
should have kept it, man. You ain't ever gonna find a Fox body in that good of a shape, dude.
Not for what I paid for.
It's hooligan.
That's sick.
Look at that big old massive turbo on there.
This thing is sick. That is sick. Hey, there's another AMX right there. Hey, them little small body cars. Dude.
Hey, there's your Impala. I don't know why you got the front end so high, huh?
Yeah, he lifted that bitch. Man, all of them is sexy.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is about. Hey,
That's another 65.
that's a 65.
Oh, dude, look.
Old time again. He hot and tired. C7.
They're like all running LS motors.
That's what it seems like. Everybody's swapping over.
I know. I'm gonna keep mine old school, man.
Yours would be worth it.
Look at this. Yeah.
He's just a driver.
Wonder if he's got like a LS motor in it or something.
I think he's just a carrier. I don't know.
No.
Nah, that motherfucker got something in there. It's too done up to be stopped.
Yeah.
Hey, there's a new Stinger.
Man, they're gonna be all down there.
That's the new Stinger. Bitch is bad, ain't it?
They're gonna have more down there, dude.
God damn it.
Oh, another Fox body.
Where's my phone? Let me get my shit back there. My bag is gonna be dead as fuck.
I know mine too. That came from Indiana, bro.
Hey, well, Mike can see my uncle.
Your uncle.
There's a Torino.
That fastback 65.
Oh, dude, that's what it's about, right here. You talking about classic? Yeah. You talking about a small pony car that whoop your ass right here? These little quick bastards. With the stop motor. Follow us to hear Lil Henry. Hey, look at that bitch. Hey, is that your? Hey, that's pretty dope right there. I love that color, man. God. Look at this bitch. Look at the new Corvette. If you get one of these, you think you a high rolling motherfucker. Look at this. Look at this Stingray. Look at these Corvettes. Like, look at them. They're just badass. Then you got old school right there. That bitch is badass. Ain't nobody recording you.
No.
You pull up an everyday Mustang.
Yeah.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Hey, that looks pretty cool right there. What is that? That's a big ass fucking motor on that son, bitch. like a demon car, man. This is pretty dope. God, I hate to get in that son of a bitch. God. You gotta fall down.
It's like a beetle bug. That's a beetle bug from hell.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Fuck that car. Fuck that car.
There's a lot of people.
That's what I was saying.
Like,
I was wondering if my cousin was here.
Must be like.
Hey, is that your Camaro? We ain't gonna find that damn 6.7 Impala, dude. I don't think he said. Oh, there's a lot of them. Ain't no fucking lot of them. 66.
That's sweet, man.
That's a bad look. They widened it. You can tell they widened the fender walls. Man. That ain't stock. That is nice. That's a nice color. That is sick, dude. Dude, that is sick. Oh, it's so fucking hot.
It's a little warm.
My ass.
Little damn race car.
Yeah, but it ain't got shit to do with a lot of these.
Look, when I walked into where the Hoover guys was.
What is it? That's a big fucking motor, man. That's a big fucking motor, dude.
Yes, please.
That's a straight up race car for real. Is this your Camaro?
That's 68.
Oh, this bitch is empty. He ain't done with this one.
Have fun driving.
That's why I'm not a body. And I wasn't young enough.
Oh, dude, this is beautiful. This is just beautiful.
It's got a Cobra.
Dude, this is beautiful right here. Hey, look at the paint. Look at the paint on this. There's a wrap though, bro.
Oh, that's cool.
That's pretty. I ain't seen shit like that. That's pretty cool. It's probably a wrap though. But look at this Mustang, man. That is nice. Dude, it's hot. There ain't no shade to get in.
It's not a Camaro. Not a 69.
Dude, yeah, but you know how common Camaros are?
69s are so common.
Everybody has a fucking Camaro.
Like the 66.
We don't recorded this one. Yeah.
No, I don't think it did.
We came all the way down
Yeah,
this.
I think it was overheating. I don't think it was working.
Oh.
We didn't get none of this with the camera. There's a whole nother section.
Yeah, we'll go down there in a little bit. This is a bitch. Chevelles are just badass. If you own a Chevelle, you're a bad motherfucker. I'm sorry.
What's going on? I'm gonna have to edit that out.
You gonna put this on Facebook?
YouTube.
Oh, yeah, edit that out. You gotta watch this over again.
I know.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad and the kid made the black. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad and the kid made the black. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad and the kid made the black. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad and the kid made the black.
We never did record this one, did you? This is sick. This is probably the nicest paint job I've seen out here.
I know it's slick, bro. You got one little bad spot in the door.
Yeah, but he drove 3,000 miles up here though. I mean, you can't expect it to be clean.
Under the hood is sweet. I like how he kept it old school, man. A lot of people just LS swap.
Man, I love that color. That is sick.
Too many people LS swapping, so that's fun.
We haven't seen all these, huh?
That's a clean Monte Carlo.
Don't tell me you got Impalas in the field wrestling.
No.
Don't say that. Please don't say that. Why you gotta say stuff like that?
Look, he's driving this truck.
Yeah, it's clean though. I still love the Judge, dude. That thing's nice.
Yeah, it's such a soft color.
I don't like the color.
It's just soft. It would look so much more intimidating in a different color.
Yeah.
Then he ruined that car. He LS swapped.
What motors does an LS come out of? What do those normally come out of?
I mean, pretty much any new cars, the 5.3s do.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, they put them in everything.
Those are fast motors though.
They're alright. They're strong. I wouldn't say fast. You can build them to withstand some horsepower. Though. Oh, Ford bucking range.
Gotta edit. That's fun.
That's a sweet Chevelle out there. 396 SS.
That Mustang. Coyote.
It's a 66. I like the old wagons.
Look at that Nova, dude. That's the 350 Nova.
Is that thing twin turbo? That thing's twin turbo. He took the lights out.
Hey, this is the same car that dude had across Dad's house that he sold for $50.
What, 70 model? No.
350 Nova. Remember that one I was in the field?
Should've bought it.
He scrapped it. Well, he scrapped it for heroin. He got a junkie and scrapped his damn
You
car.
should have offered him $200.
I didn't know he did it. That's just a clean 5-spotter, dude.
Yeah, this thing's clean, bro. He's got the wheels staggered too. Look at the beef on the back of that. Hey, it's same color interior, sure.
Yeah. Same car.
Yeah.
But that's the 5.0. Mine's a 2.3. Which I was gonna put a turbo kit on it and keep it.
That would've been sweet.
Alright, what do you want to do? Jump on the front?
Oh, look at that slammed car over there. Chopped and slammed.
Oh yeah, look at the back window. I bet that took its
That's
time.
like OG gangster style. This still going?
Yeah.
Surprised I ain't overheated. That's a clean car.
I like the color. Gold makes old cars look good.
Man, that thing is freaking dumb.
Dude, I'd hate to get in these cars.
That's like a tail dragger right there. That's sick, bro.
I painted cocaine white.
That Fleetwood fabrication. Good shot, bro.
You might have followed him.
Yeah. He's from Indiana too. There's a lot of people from Indiana.
Indiana. I won't go in between the cars. I bet
Blind spots and all things.
that's dangerous as well. It's I don't know which one.
It's split one. Like a 70s. There's another Chevelle. That's a 70s Chevelle.
Fayette, hey, that.
Oh. Nasty, bro.
Man, they got a lot of work to do in this place. Look at that bag.
Got a little,
Look at that bag.
got a little weight reduction on it.
I bet that bitch was skid though.
Yeah. It's got a 5.3, but just with a different intake and running a carburetor on it. I bet you it's strong.
With a demon intake? With a demon
No,
carburetor?
that's a demon car. I want to say they're made by Holly. It's like a street demon.
It looks like a Honda. Look at that gator. We need a gator.
There's another one. Them things were fast back in the day.
The supercharged Monte Carlo?
Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't line up with
They
that.
made them all front wheel drive. Bro.
I wouldn't line up with that. That thing's sick. Oh, dark. Chap, hey, that's a 6-figure car?
That one's probably not.
No, he gotta get this one right.
But it's a good looking car.
Oh, that's the Plymouth. That's the crazy thing about Dodge and Plymouth, man. Most of their bodywork's the same. Yeah. It is, cause look from the side of that, without the bumper, that looks like a challenge.
They're expensive to work on. There's another Elko.
It seemed like I had 1,000 tracks.
That's a GMC Sprint.
Dude, that's down.
30 minutes to get through.
Those are actually hard as a bomb. That's a nice car, man.
Another 30 minutes to get in.
Is that kind of what you're painting your color?
Nah, mine's,
And when I left,
mine's got a little more gray to it.
and I left.
Two-stage paint, it's an intermix paint. It's got pearl white.
Well, that's kind of two-stage, ain't it?
Kind
That's pretty cool. There's a wagon.
I like the wheels it's got on it.
Well, I like this one too. This is the same thing. Damn, you'd almost have to bring a fan to sit out here all day.
That's a wrap.
Oh my god, dude.
That's not real carbon fiber. You see the line?
Yeah.
It's a wrap.
That's what we need. He was smart. Yeah, where's the brew? I don't know. Oh, is it over there? Should have AC over there. There's some later. Oh, Mach 1. 57. No mad. Got pearl white top. Oh, bit. Yes, sir. Get some heat. Colorado. To the Mercury. 65. Bang. At least you're pulling that wagon, man. Yeah. Pull a lot of gas in it.
That is not stop. That is not stop, sir.
No.
That is not stop. She's a ripper. Yes, sir.
Yeah, the river. I like the
Oh,
paint job on
dude,
this.
Look at the paint job on this dang freaking IROC. That is just out of the world, overly done, crazy. That is an assload of flake. All the flake.
It's kind of blinding.
Yes. God, no. All the flake, sir. All the flake. Let's just not even add paint. Let's just add flake. Clear coat and flake. I like them without the wing, man. I think they look better without wings.
Oh yeah. This is the Ford Galaxy? Or is this the Falcon?
That's the
Is this the Galaxy? Or is this the 500?
That's the XXL. Ooh. Another twin turbo.
Dude, it's so hot, man.
Another twin turbo.
Do they normally do the headlights?
Yeah. It's the best way to get outside air. Easiest way. You could do them a different way. A way you ain't gotta do away with your headlights.
What'd he get? $157.3, 242.6. Huh?
So that'll see, right?
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move.
They just lowered.
Ooh wee, that's sweet, man.
Fuck yeah, that C7 right there.
I like the wheels they put on it.
That is nice.
I'm not crazy about convertibles, but
I don't like the convertible, but I respect that I got to see one.
I like the body lines on there.
Well, that's the 67, man. This is.
Level 7.
He's got bubble.
Yeah, it's rust. About to come through. I wonder if this is a true Cobra. Probably not. Probably not.
Ain't none of this shit 427.
It's probably another kid car, man.
Well, it's hard to find one that's not a kit car, and if they're not a kit car, they're gonna be too expensive.
Yeah.
It has fans. Do you want me to take your picture by it? Yeah.
Let's get out that picture.
Huh?
You take my picture.
Take your picture.
Yeah, they're gonna be my Facebook profile picture.
Alright, dog. Let me
This is a badass ride.
take old homeboy's picture. There you go, dog. There you go, big dog.
Sure.
It's a good picture, too.